In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and securely re-authenticate your account in Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and go directly to the official account sign-in page. Make sure you're using the correct website and that the page has fully loaded before you continue. Starting from the proper login page helps avoid confusion and ensures you're working in the right place from the beginning. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is sign out of any lingering active profile sessions. If the browser is still holding on to a previous login, that can interfere with the reset process or cause the account to autofill into the wrong session. Logging out completely gives you a clean starting point and reduces the chance of any authentication issues later on. After that, clear your browser history and cookie cache files entirely. This step is important because stored cookies, cached login tokens, and old session data can sometimes prevent updated credentials from working properly. In Chrome, you can open the browsing data settings and remove the saved history, cookies, and cached files. For the smoothest result, make sure the data is cleared fully rather than partially. Once that's done, it's a good idea to let Chrome finish processing before you move on. Next, return to the login page and select the Forgot Password option. This will allow you to safely reset your account credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and create a new password that is strong, unique, and easy for you to remember without reusing an older one. A secure password reset is one of the most important parts of regaining clean access to your account, especially if you've been dealing with login errors or session conflicts. When your password has been updated, go ahead and log back in with your new credentials. During sign-in, complete the two-factor SMS verification step to re-authenticate the account. This extra layer of security confirms that it's really you trying to access the account and helps protect against unauthorized access. Be sure to enter the code exactly as received and wait for the confirmation before refreshing or closing the page. Once you're signed back in successfully, your account should be re-authenticated and ready to use. If anything doesn't work on the first try, repeat the sign out and browser clearing steps to make sure no old session data is still interfering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.